Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by verifying compatibility and access. Make sure your Series X has the latest system update so backward compatibility features work. Sign in with the Microsoft account that owns Xbox 360 titles. Once done, open Microsoft Store and go to My Library or Ready to Install. This immediately shows digital purchases eligible for download. Doing this first saves time versus searching individually. It also surfaces backwards compatible titles. Once you have My Library open, search for the specific Xbox 360 title and filter results to Xbox 360 or backward compatible items so you don't install wrong editions. Select the owned game entry, confirm it shows as purchased or eligible, and choose Download to Console or Install on this Xbox. Make sure to pick the correct storage drive. If internal space is low, attach an external HDD formatted for games. This guarantees a clean install and avoids fragmented downloads or missing DLC. You finish by launching the installed title from My Games and Apps or pinning it to home for quick access. If the game fails to start, power cycle the console and try again. Make sure to clear local saved games only if you have cloud backups. If the storefront won't allow download or shows not purchased, go to Settings Right Arrow Account and Restore Licenses to revalidate ownership. These steps resolve most issues and get you playing quickly, preserving saved data and purchased entitlements.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.